What's up, world? It's your boy Canon, man, and I'm out here in Margaritaville, out here in Conroe, Lake Conroe, Texas, and it is dope. It feels like the perfect little like resort style vacation, staycation. Wasn't too far. It was no more than maybe about, I don't know, an hour outside of Houston, and the views are amazing. I couldn't see anything last night because I got here at nighttime, but now I'm able to actually see, and I'm glad that I booked this staycation. So I want to show you guys the hotel room real quick and maybe show you some amenities in another video, and maybe you can figure out if you want to book this hotel as your hotel as well. Okay guys, so first of all, I found this place on social media because I've been looking for like a resort style vacation that was close to Houston, because you know, being in Houston and being someone like me who's always looking for a lot of things to do in Houston, you start to kind of feel like it's all the same. So I wanted to kind of do something where I felt like I was getting out of the city. And one thing I could definitely say is I definitely feel like I'm not in Texas right now, or I don't feel like I'm in Houston right now. The whole style of this resort just doesn't seem like it even belongs here. It just kind of sticks out because you have lazy rivers, you got the pools, you got jacuzzis. Everything feels like you're at the beach. Even the colors inside of the rooms, like all the turquoise and white and stuff like that. Everything is just like a dope look. I like the feeling, man. It feels like I'm at a beach. Even though I'm not necessarily literally at the beach, but it feels like I'm at the beach. The room is super spacious. Right now I have like a king size. Right now I have the lake view room, which is supposed to give you a dope look of the lake, which I do have a dope look of the lake. So I'm very glad I got this room. I believe the room was like $250 or $230, something like that. And then after taxes, it was like $270, $280. So if you guys want to get a room like this and you want to be able to enjoy the amenities and check out everything, it's not too expensive. You first walk in, you have like a clothing rack, you got a bench to sit down, put your shoes under and sit down and put your stuff on. There's a lot of decor everywhere. Plenty of outlets. You have USB outlets / normal outlets on every one. It's all around the room. That's always a plus. That's something I always look for. If you need to work away from home, you have a desk. Plenty of space in the desk as well. You know, drawers you could use. They also have like menus to show you where you can order food and drinks. I had a pina colada last night, which was amazing. You also have a couch. I'm not sure if it doubles as a bed, actually. Let me check. It definitely does. It definitely doubles as a flip out bed. So if you need like extra room, or if you have two more people with you that need a bed, even though you book the king suite with the view of the lake, or if you have the kids or whatever, they can still stay here and mom and dad can sleep, or boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever can sleep in the main bedroom. Speaking of the main bedroom, you have a TV right in front of the king size bed. This isn't how the bed looks. I kind of tried to remake it a little bit for visual purposes. Then you also have views of the lake. We're at a corner room, so we have kind of like an extra view of like the other side of the hotel, as well as the view we already saw the lake. All right, so now that I'm finally up, about to finally go check out the amenities here in the hotel. I'm actually really kind of checking out on the cool, but at the same time, I still should be able to check some of the amenities out. I know they have like different places to eat, a little gift shop and stuff like that here. So let's go see what they got. So I showed you guys the room earlier. Now I'm at the Margaritaville Hotel and I'm about to go check out some of the amenities. I just wanted to share the views with you guys because this hotel is pretty nice. It doesn't really feel like I'm in Houston like that. I still kind of feel like Texas or something, but it's just a dope little situation. So I want you guys to see the way it looks on the outside. All right, guys. So I'm here to get breakfast. They actually have a Starbucks here. So if you guys don't wonder if they got Starbucks, they definitely do here in Margaritaville. As me, I can't get my day started if I don't got that right Java. So I also got me an bacon, egg, and cheese croissant as well. So that should be pretty dope. Hopefully it tastes pretty good, but thank God that they have this. But yeah, altogether, I really feel like Margaritaville is kind of like a slept-on property here in Texas. It's definitely a place that I never really hear about. I never hear other people saying they're going, but for the people who do know about it, I mean, it's definitely a good little trip away to just get out of Houston for a second. You know, I think most people try to go to like Galveston whenever they're trying to get away from Houston, but they don't realize there's another place to the north, just out of the city boundaries, where you can go and feel like you're at a resort, because it is a resort style. Also, I still have my resort band on because they definitely treat it like it's a full-on resort there. I can foresee that place being a booming hotel soon, as soon as people start to learn more about this property. I definitely highly recommend it if you guys are thinking about going here. If you found this video because you're thinking about going to Margaritaville, definitely go. If you don't want to spend crazy amounts of money, I think the room was like $250, somewhere around there. If you don't want to spend a lot of money going somewhere else out of town, you can just have a staycation in your own city, your own state, and just pull up and hang out. Real quick, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of me going to Margaritaville. I do plan on really trying to turn this page more towards the direction of being a travel channel. So if you guys could please start hitting the like button, hitting subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated, because I'm going to be bringing you guys some bangers here shortly. So keep tuning in, and I'm gonna keep bringing y'all more and more and more, and I'm gonna be checking out the comments and replying to questions as they come. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and peace.